Are you putting enough money away for retirement? What about your rainy day fund? If you're trying to find the best way to start investing your money, you can't afford to miss Money Matters Mondays with Michael Rollins, a wealth coach and owner of Scottsdale Gold and Silver. Good to see you.
Good to see you again.
You call yourself a wealth coach because you make people money.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So how much did your investors make last month?
Last month, investors averaged 14.7% take home. That means if they liquidate it out today, it'd be up 14.7%.
Okay, so how much do you think they're going to make by the end of this year?
By the end of this year, easily we're going to clear probably about another 10, hopefully up to about 15% with what's going on with the worldwide markets. When you look outside, Europe is crashing. You got China melting down. There's a lot of stuff going on with international trade, as well as numbers, year-end numbers coming in for companies. I think it's going to be very, very shaky, and we're going to see a lot of volatility coming out of the markets.
All right, so as a wealth coach, I come to see you. What do you do for me? What do I need to bring to you, and how do you get my money turned around?
All right, first thing, when you come see me, we're going to establish your goals. So let's role play real quick.
Sure.
What is the most important thing for you? Are you more concerned about making money, or are you more concerned about keeping the money that you own?
A little bit of both.
Okay, a little bit of both. So what we're going to need to do is come up with a plan that's going to be able to keep you aggressive enough to maintain your wealth, as well as the aggressive part is going to come in. We want to increase your wealth. And a lot of that's going to be dictated on age. So what we do is we have them fill out a little test. And I know it's not a hard test, it's multiple choice. And it's what makes most sense to them.
Okay.
Then we custom build them a portfolio that's going to meet them and their needs, what they want to do. Just like with you, you'd be profit and protection. So we would be looking at areas to give you both.
All right, because I've got kids, so I'm worried about their college fund. I'm
Absolutely.
worried about my retirement. I want to retire and actually retire.
Yeah, that's the
enjoy
biggest
it.
thing. Well, when you look at right now, you have 10,000 baby boomers retiring every day for the next 9 years. That means more money is going to be coming out of the system. That's going to be more taxing on Social Security and Medicare. So the money is going to have to, what you do is going to have to continue to increase, and you're going to need an average of increasing for where your retirement is based off of your age and when you want to retire. And that's a quick little simple formula that we help everybody out with. We make it real simple, real easy. And then the best thing we do is we communicate with you. We actually let you know what's going on.
Well, that's important because we don't want to just, go through this investment and then get left out there by ourselves, because that's a lot of folks who come to see you. That's what happened to them.
Yeah, well, the thing that we do is we personalize everything. So if you guys are going to come work with us, we're going to look at what you own and where to reposition it. And right now, precious metals are, 15% a month. Who out there is making 15% a month? If you didn't make 15% a month last year, give us a call and we will help you out.
So we start with that?
We start with the one-on-one consultation,
okay,
which will lead us into our testing, which is going to lead us into telling what is going to work best for you.
Can you give us the best piece of advice right now? If there's viewers who are watching you this morning, what is the best piece of advice you can give them?
The best piece of advice that I can give anybody is having a plan. Plan will give you action. Action will give you results. Without having a plan, when you're just idly putting money away, you have no idea what it's for, you're not going to do very well. So first thing you need to do is get together a plan, and plan comes action, action comes results, just like with anything you do in life.
And it's interesting because a lot of folks who do come to see you, you say, you know what, they've already been duped. So they're trying to dig out of the hole.
That's the thing. We got to get a lot of people out from bad investing and teach them how to become a good investor.
All right, let's get you to become a good investor. Scottsdale Gold and Silver is offering the first 20 callers a free copy of their new investment guide. They are located at 7033 East Greenway Parkway. That's in Scottsdale. Call the office to schedule your free one-on-one consultation. That's 480-739-1299. That is for your one-on-one consultation. And while you're there, you can go online at scottsdalegoldandsilver.com to find more information.